We're not going to talk about it. We're just going to play that again. Because, yeah. And there's like beef happening in that chat anyway, so. But I'm literally laying in bed filming this. So. If you have any Roblox game suggestions, comment them down below because I'm always up to try new games. So. Oh. I'm so wow. I actually don't like this game. Why I don't play it. And they also changed this. I know that was like a while ago, but some people might not joined it in that time. So yeah, they did change that. I don't get how they changed it because it just used to be laser, like a whole laser floor, and then like keyboard thing keys on top. So yeah, they changed that. And I think that's it. And I don't post videos a lot. It's only when like I'm doing I think like and like it kind of just turns into a video. Yeah. And I hope my mic is on right now because if it's not, I'm going to cry. So. Why is there no shift lock? That's weird. Cause there used to be shift lock in this game, but I guess it's gone. No. I was about to walk there. I was watching Christmas movies. I was like, I'm in the spirit. No, I literally, oh, I found my shift lock. Oops. Snow is falling all around me. Yeah. Am I the only one that rage? I know loads of people rage quit, but like I rage quit really easily. Like even if I die, like once, just it's the randomest times. I actually hate this game. I actually feel like jumping out my window. This is just gonna be quicker. Actually, put that away. I'm probably gonna like run and fall off. So. There's sometimes people trolling here and then like run forward so someone's gonna make it. My sister and a friend did that to me once. We were playing an obby and we were playing an obby and do you know there's like rainbow stairs that disappear? Yeah, we were doing that while we were on that stage and they kept on trolling me. Like they kept on running forward and they were just were letting me pass. So it was really annoying. That's that. So I'm actually trying to do it a minute ago. I wasn't recording. Ugly tunnel thing. And I actually dodged them. Like I'm full on just completely missed. Because like I jumped over their head and then the other platform was like still there. So I just like jump on that. Oh god, I'm actually doing good. And once I was like 2 jumps near the end, and I guess you disconnected. I disconnected, and it was so sad actually. Like, so annoying. Like, what do you even get for winning? I didn't really see. What the hell was that? No. I'm going back to Tower of Hell. I know that sounds weird, but like... Oh, and do you like my new avatar? I think it's really cute. I have a lot of avatars. Like, I don't even have a main avatar. I just always change my avatar. Ooh. This is what I mean. I was about to leave. I was about to rage quit. I rage quit, that's what I mean. Oh, okay, that was unexpected. I have like 4 wins. Yeah, I have like 4 wins. As you can see, I have a lot of money. I don't like to spend it. Because like, you never know. Like, what if like I go spend it and then like the round just somehow goes on to 32, X32, and then my money just gets wasted. Like, yeah, that's why I don't like to risk it. I like to, like, I'll do it if like the round just starts sometimes, but like that's sometimes. Why does it look like? Bro, why my back look like that? Am I the only one that used to make troll skins? Like, when I'm playing with like my friend, I'm not gonna name drop, but like, I have a really close friend. She's like my bestest friend ever, and we were playing Tower of Hell, and we literally had the funniest troll skins on. We made a whole group actually, like not a group, but like it was me, my other friend, and my other friend. Actually, my friend Lara. I'm actually subscribed to her. She actually has a YouTube channel. So, and yeah, I'm trying to figure out who was which color. I was pink. While my friends were blue. You know, I'll just say their names. Maisie was blue. I was pink. Lara, purple. Zoe was yellow. So, actually, what the freak? Woo! I didn't move forward. That was very... I think I actually have that avatar saved. So, yeah. Do you know what? It would be like the best Christmas present ever. Just to hit 100 subscribers. Like, that's just my dream. Like, I don't even care if I ever hit 1,000. Like, well, yeah, obviously I will care if I do hit it, but I'm not. But, like, I just want to hit 100. Like, that's the highest I need. So. Merry Christmas. I can't like check how long I'm going for because I'm screen recording, so I actually can't check. So this might be a long video, short video. Don't know. It depends how I edit. I don't know how to clip, like take out parts. So I have to figure out how to do that. I have to learn how to edit better. Like, I'm a small creator, so. Oh. I'm sorry, I'm just gonna. The laser can't hit me. Alright, I'm gonna go in. No! Bro, that took so long. And I was the highest. Why is everyone stuck on this level? Like, I know it took me like a while. But, yeah. Bro, what should this title be? Like, what should the title of this video be? Wait, I want to do this thing. If you don't play this Tower of Hell, you gotta try it. Like, it's just really fun. That was definitely off. Anyway. Guys, do you think it's a good idea to like backflip out my window right now? I'm joking, I'm not going to do that. That would be a very bad idea. Okay. I think... What the frick is that? I think I'm going to finish the video here, and if... bro, what was I going to say? And if you have any game suggestions, definitely comment them down below and I will play them. Sorry if I was quiet in this video, I'm just like kind of tired. Bye, that's it.